Hey there, have you ever tried homemade bounty? If not, I'm gonna show you how to make it at home out of 4 ingredients. What you need for this are 200 grams of coconut flakes, 200 grams of coconut cream, 3 spoons of maple syrup, and some homemade chocolate. See the other video on how to make homemade chocolate. What you need to do is mix these 3 ingredients, the coconut flakes, the coconut cream, and the maple syrup. Then I'll further show you what it needs to be done. As this is being taken care of, now what you need to do is put this batter in some silicone molds, or you can shape the bounty bars and put them in a dish on some cooking paper. Now put them in the freezer and leave them for 2-3 hours. In 2-3 hours, get it out of the freezer and cover it with homemade chocolate. After this, put them in the fridge for 1 hour, then you can enjoy them. Hope this was a useful recipe for you. You try it yourself. And in order to keep in touch, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Bye!